Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And in today's video we are going to take a close look again at the RetroGame 300. But only we're going to test out PlayStation. So in this extended testing we're going to check out if this thing is usable for PlayStation games. So we're going to do a couple of game testing and let's see if there are games playable and some are not. I overclocked the system, so in other words I was getting more power and maybe this helps a little bit. Alright, stay tuned and let's play some games. Alright, so let's try out Crash Bandicoot number 1. As you can see under the camera, I left the CPU power so you can exactly see how much power it uses from the CPU and how many frames we have. So overclock, it is playable. It's still playable if you ask me.
Stop playing with that thing. I've just got to adjust this.
So the music and the music is okay. Ooh, it's glitching here.
Commander, the last transmission.
Okay. Oh, playing this on the PlayStation was challenging. And out of nothing, the device. Oh, well, that's. No, I didn't pause it. It just froze for a couple of seconds. Wow. Okay. And it goes further after a couple of times, or? No, this time it freezes forever. No. Alright, so let's try Descent.
Worthless bureaucrats. They replace us all with robots.
Okay, let's see. Will it freeze or will it go on? Because all the systems have this at this moment that it freezes. No, it doesn't freeze. Okay, cool. So everything is mapped correctly. Okay, this is the side ones. Ooh, the buttons are mapped perfectly. So there was a shooting, like an original game. Let's try a two-dimensional fighting game. Let's see how this works. Alright. The two-dimensional games are less demanding like the three-dimensional. I can see that the CPU usage. It peaks a couple times to 100%, but it's glitching all over, as you can see. That's a bummer, because it runs pretty smooth. Wow. And this happens, by the way, with the intro, so that is not normal. Alright, let's try R-Type Delta. Okay, we're going to try that again. I have really no clue what just happened. Alright, not going to press any buttons this time. Okay, it starts up the game. Maybe I did something that was not... Yeah, maybe I did something. Never mind. Okay. Alright. Intro was not very promising. Come on. Why doesn't... Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll continue. Let's go to the CPU core. How much is it going to consume? All of it. And again, it's glitching out. It's a bummer that it's glitching a little bit because the frame rate is pretty decent and now it's just shutting off. Last but not least, Tekken. Alright. Well, let's see what happens.
Round 1. Fight.
It's running very slow. It's running at, let's say, sometimes 40 frames a second, so that is pretty horrible. Okay, this is something I've never seen before. This, by the way, Mega Man 8. Let's see if it... Okay. Oh yeah. Yes. Okay, it's doing the thing I want to. So as you can see, two-dimensional games can run fine on this thing, and it doesn't consume 100% of the CPU. I'm getting the idea that sometimes, because you overclock and maybe you're messing around with the settings, it doesn't work very well. Alright, so for the final conclusion about the RetroGame 300 and PlayStation. It's a little bit of a bummer. I've tested out more games and games that are not that, let's say, demanding of the system, but you notice a lot of glitches, a lot of weird stuff going around. So if it comes to PlayStation games on this RetroGame 300, I cannot recommend it. Just wanted to do the extended testing because I know a lot of you people will like PlayStation and to play it on the go. Let me know what you think of this, really love to know. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.